In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up stock codes in Tally accounts. Firstly, to start generating purchase invoices and buying stock in, we need to set up a new stock code. To do that, all you need to do is go to the Purchases module on the left hand side of the screen. On the top right, you'll see you have the option here for purchase codes. What I'm going to do in here, I'm just going to set up a new purchase code for stock, and I'm going to call this 5003, and this is going to be called stock. And then all I need to do then is just click add purchase code, and we can now see that our stock purchase code has been added into the system. What we need to do now is start setting up our stock records. To do that, all I do is go to the invoices section on the left hand side of the screen. Once we're in here, you'll see there is an option in the top right hand side which is called sales codes. If I click into the sales code button, we can see all of the various sales codes that I have within my business. I'm going to add in a new one here which is going to be 4005, and I'm going to call this one also stock. And I'm going to click add new code, and we can now see stock has been added as a new sales code. If I just update that and we go back to our screen, we can now see stock is listed there. If you click into your stock code and scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you'll see you have a section here called products. To start adding your product lines in, all we need to do is just click add a product. Once we've done that, all you need to do is just type the name of the product. So I'm just going to come in here and then just say this is going to be a boiler. I can pre-fill the rate and description, so I can put the price of this in here. So I'm just going to say this is £500. I can also key in my wholesale price if I've enabled wholesale pricing. And we can put the VAT that needs to be applied against that. We can then put the description we want to appear on the invoice in here. And underneath, you have the option to manage stock levels. If I click manage stock levels and scroll down, we can put a quantity in stock. I've got none at the moment. And also you can set an alert level. So I want the software to alert me if it drops below 5 in stock. You then got another option in here which says increment stock levels on purchase. If I tick this box, I can then go and choose the purchase code. So the purchase code that we set up was 5003. So we can see I can set up stock, and then as a subtype, I'm actually going to get the system to create a code for me. What that means now is my product is set up, and every time I generate a purchase invoice, it's going to increase my stock levels. All I need to do then is just click create a product, and that product is now listed in my list here. We can see my quantity is 0. I'm going to add one more product in here, so we're just going to say this is 1 foot of piping. Again, we just pre-fill, and I'm just going to put that's £30. Put your wholesale price in there and the description. Manage stock levels. I've got 0 in stock. Alert me when it gets below 10, and I'm going to increment the stock levels, and we're going to say that needs to be linked to my stock code. And I'm going to create another subtype in here. I'm then going to click create a product, and we can now see that under my stock code we will see that I've got 2 products listed. So all of your product records will be listed against here, and if you click in and scroll down, you'll see how many you've got in stock, all your pricing descriptions, and the system will automatically create a product code for you. That's how easy it is just to set up the codes for stock items within Tally accounts.